This video introduces you to the customizable personal dictionaries in the Class Notes app. Personalized dictionaries help you record your notes faster and more efficiently using automatic decoding. By creating your own personal dictionaries, you can have your very own customized note-taking shorthand system with your own personal abbreviations and their meanings. This allows you to capture the most important information in your classes faster than ever with fewer keystrokes. Enter your abbreviation, then tap its abbreviation meaning located on the Class Notes predictive meaning bar. You create the abbreviations and meanings that make sense to you personally. A small amount of time spent setting up a personal dictionary can significantly speed up your input process and make it more intuitive. Here, we're seeing in real-time speed what can be achieved by decoding using a personal dictionary. In addition to the normal predictive text bar on your mobile device, Class Notes supplies you with an additional Class Notes predictive meaning bar, which displays above your device's keyboard and predictive text bar. The Class Notes predictive meaning bar may be turned on or off by tapping the topmost on-off button displayed on the top right of the keyboard. Your device's predictive text bar on-off button is the bottom button displayed here. When you set up a personal dictionary with your own abbreviations and their meanings, it feeds this data to the Class Notes predictive meaning bar as you type in real time. All you need to do is type in your abbreviations, then their meanings show up for you to simply tap onto select. You can create a personal dictionary of your own by accessing the Class Notes dictionary system. From almost every screen in Class Notes, simply tap the dictionaries icon in the top right of your screen as shown here. At the main dictionary screen, you'll see more information about personal dictionaries below the red Create Personal Dictionary button. Personal dictionaries are very flexible and may be edited, merged, emailed, renamed, turned on or off, deleted, and saved. These functions will be covered fully in the next steps here and also in Dictionaries video number 3. Personal dictionaries may use any language which has a keyboard for that language. For example, Spanish, French, etc. You may create an unlimited number of personal dictionaries. Let's create one now. Tap the red Create Personal Dictionary button. For this demonstration, in the Create Personal Dictionary naming box for your new personal dictionary, type in the name My Abbreviations using the keyboard. Tap the OK button to approve this name and go back to the main dictionary screen. Notice that your new personal dictionary, My Abbreviations, now appears in red text above the preloaded free dictionaries which display in black text. All personal dictionaries will be displayed in red text. To add an entry to your new personal dictionary, tap the Add button while your desired personal dictionary is opened. In the Add Entry screen, enter the abbreviation that you wish to use in the top section along with a meaning for this entry in the bottom section. Add whatever words, initials, characters, texting, or symbols that have meanings for you and that will make your note-taking faster and more intuitive when used in conjunction with the predictive meaning bar in every organizer. For abbreviations, you may add more than one abbreviation, initial, symbol, or texting per meaning, but each must be on a separate line. For this demonstration, we're using CS and CNS as our abbreviations. To save an extra keystroke during future typing, we're using lowercase letters to speed up input. Tap the Next button on the keyboard to move to the next line. Abbreviations must be only one continuous abbreviation containing characters, symbols, numbers, but no spaces are allowed. You may also add more than one meaning per abbreviation, initial, symbol, or texting, but each must be on a separate line. Meanings can be any combination of words containing any characters, spaces, symbols, or numbers. Tap in the Meaning section and add 3 meanings: Cornell Notes Simplified, Cornell Simplified, and Cornell Simplified. Tap the Next button on the keyboard to move to the next line in the active field. Tap the Lower the Keyboard button on the bottom right of the screen when you're finished. The Class Notes app will automatically separate your multiple entries into individual rows as shown here. This allows you the freedom to then edit each individual entry as you wish without affecting the others. To edit an entry, select the entry row that you wish to edit. Here, we're selecting CNS. Then tap the Edit button at the bottom. On the Edit Entry screen, you may edit this abbreviation, initial, symbol, or texting, or its meaning. For this demonstration, we're going to delete the third meaning. Place your cursor at the end of Cornell Simplified, then tap the backspace button to delete Cornell Simplified. Tap the lower the keyboard button on the bottom right of the screen when you're finished editing. Back at the main dictionary screen, your personal dictionary entry in My Abbreviations is now edited. Each personal dictionary may also be turned on and off. With the My Abbreviations personal dictionary still selected on the left side Dictionaries list, toggle the top right on-off switch to off. My Abbreviations dictionary is now marked off on the left side dictionary list, and its contents are not displayed on the right, indicating the dictionary is not active. Now, when an abbreviation from this inactive personal dictionary is typed, the meanings for this abbreviation will not be displayed in the predictive meaning bar. Note that if the same abbreviation is active in another dictionary, then the meanings for the same abbreviation will be displayed in the predictive meaning bar. Toggle the on-off switch back to on to make My Abbreviations dictionary active again. Another helpful feature is that you may activate or turn off each individual abbreviation inside your personal dictionaries. With the My Abbreviations personal dictionary still selected on the left side Dictionaries list, tap and select the CNS entry row to select it and turn it gray. Then tap the Edit button at the bottom of the screen to open the Edit entry screen again. Toggle the active on-off button at the top of this screen to off. Then tap the lower keyboard button twice to confirm this change and go back to the main dictionary screen. Note that the CNS entry row is now gray and italicized to indicate that it is turned off, and now the meanings for this abbreviation will not be displayed in the predictive meaning bar as you're typing. If that same abbreviation is in another dictionary, then the meanings for that same abbreviation will be displayed in the predictive meaning bar, just being displayed from the other dictionary. With the entry row still selected, tap Edit to return to the Edit entry screen again. Back at the Edit entry screen, turn the active on-off switch back to the on position for this abbreviation so it is now active again. You may also toggle off or on for the case sensitivity of an abbreviation. Case sensitive means that upper and lowercase alphabetic letters will be recognized as different characters as you're typing. Turn case sensitive back to off and tap the lower the keyboard button twice to confirm and exit this screen. Now that you're familiar with this Dictionaries number 2 of 3 Personal Dictionaries Introduction Add and Edit video, you may want to learn more about the other parts of the Personal Dictionaries functions. You can find these in the video Dictionaries number 3 of 3 Personal Dictionaries, Merge, Delete, and Email. Check out our other videos to see how the Class Notes app can help you get better grades. Remember, better notes equal better grades.